So hi guys, good day. So today we are going to design a label sticker using the PixelLab. So I will go to size and then choose the size to be 96 by 96 also. And here's the dimension, the canvas that we are going to use. Let me delete this and then I will go to gallery and then pick a shape, which is this. So I'll turn the shape into this color. So what I will do is I will expand the size of the shape. Yeah. So I will go to relative size and then adjust it. Yeah. Let me just increase this a little bit. Okay, I will just copy this one and then delete the original one because I need it to be sharper. So here is it. So for the background color, I will be using this gradient color. So if you don't know how to use a gradient color, I will leave a link on the description menu so that you can go and learn it. It's one of my video that I did. So what I will do is I'll copy this color and this shape, and then I will decrease the size. And for the color, I will make it to be the gradient color. So here we go. So here we go with this. Let me see, let me just decrease it to 90. Alright. Here we go. Let me just decrease it again. So what I will do now is I'll create another shape and then tag it toward this axis. Create it like this. I will turn the color to be this color. Yeah, here we go. So I will go to gallery and then pick the logo, which is this. So then you go to color filter and then increase the saturation of the logo a little bit. Yeah. So for the name of the brand is Dominos. Okay. For this I will change it to pink. And for the fonts, I will just change it to this. Then increase the size. So let me centralize it. So I will go to text and then write kex and pastorish. Then I will drag it here. For the color, it should be black. Then for the font, I will go to Newton regular. So here we go. I will create a shape here. And I will copy it and then put it for this. Then let me just centralize this. Okay. So here we go. So now I will go to text. I've already copied the text here. I will just click on paste here. Then I'll go to color. Then put the color. The fonts will be neutral regular. Yeah. Just decrease the size. Let's put it like this. So what I will do now is I will go to this and texture them with a good picture. Let me scale it up. Go to stroke and then stroke it to 5. And same with this one. So here we go. I will go to align and then align them. Yeah, it's perfect. Yes, perfect. So for this one, I know it is at the central. Yeah, so here we go. So I will go to here and then click on write the text, which is the Instagram handles. Terminals kick. So I will just drag it to here. So for the color, it should be black. Then for the size, the font's supposed to be neutral regular. So I will just centralize it to the center. Then I will just drag it here. Yeah. So I'll copy it and then go to phone number, which is 234 with 0 here. 8174138007. So I will kind of increase the size of the phone number font. Let's put it here. Yeah. So I will go to text again and write love at first. Right. Yeah. So for this one, let it be white. I will decrease the size. Yeah, and then I will go to spacing and then increase the spacing. So what I will do now is I will go to curve and just minus the curve here. Yeah. So here we go with this. So I'll go to gallery and then import some of the icons that I will be using. Go to gallery. So I have imported all the icons here. You can see this one. Also, I'll leave all the icons on the description link so that you can download it. So here we go. Here is just how to actually design your label stickers using the PixelLab. Thank you very much for your time. For the newcomers, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that we can go along. And then for those of you that are old and then haven't subscribed yet, please do so and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you very much.